welcome back to my channel. So today we have Pauline again. Y'all remember Melinda Williams? Y'all remember?
Looking a little more like Jennifer Lewis. You know she has the afro.
Lord, why is this child testing me today?
Things first, if you want to do the if you
Yeah. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. I don't know where it's at still. It's probably over there. But don't forget to do that because Happy Girl makes amazing videos. Yeah, that was...
But first things first, if you are new here.
First off, welcome.
I'm an old-time subbies, Congregation, the Rain Gang, Happy Curl Gang. Welcome back, sis, for another video.
Okay, I know y'all haven't seen me in a long time, you know. Go check out my page. The same 2 videos are still there.
I'll leave it down below. She's also going to be in a movie next year, you guys. Another movie. What's the name of the movie again?
It's Charming the Hearts of Men. I'm so blanking right now. Kelsey Grammer's in the movie. Jill Marie Jones is in the movie. You know, Tony from Girlfriends. Who else? Amela Me.
Pauline is.
Anna Frill is in the movie. It's gonna be good. You know, I'm excited about it. I'm excited about the topic. Yeah, it'll be out next year. You know, there's a lot of great movies coming out next year. Coming to America 2 is coming out next year.
Are you
Bad Boy,
Yes.
Queen. Right? I don't sing.
We're talking about her, yet she's always pumping up other people.
Yeah.
That's just Pauline. That's just Pauline. That's Pauline.
Aw, so
that's her first.
Yeah. We're going for 200K subscribers before 2021. Like, seriously. That's gold. You know, they try to make it all about buying all these different products, but you gotta have your technique right. And I'm telling you, Happycurlhappygirl, she got me on point. People be like, you gotta texturize her still, because, you know, my curls are popping more and more.
They are.
And I'm like, no, it's that technique, you know? You can't just buy a product off the shelf and expect it to make you look beautiful.
Come on, tell them.
You know, you can't
She's about to preach, y'all.
Right.
So, we don't have Moose to do this finger wave situation. It's my first time, so we're gonna use her favorite. She has like 1,000 of these in her bathroom. We're gonna use Eco and a rat tail comb and some water. So while she's talking, we'll just style and maybe we got Moose.
Oh, we got Moose. We're a house full of YouTubers right now.
Hey,
it's collab. Look, everything amazing in the building. She goes.
She has Monday motivations, y'all.
Yes. Yeah, they
everything amazing. I'll leave her stuff down below. Check it out. Subscribe. Okay.
Yes, it will get you out the bed. It will get you out
here. She's trying to get shy.
Right. Trying to be shy, looking fly. Got, what is this?
You better be a YouTuber. Come on.
This is what we got, y'all. You know, they put their hand right here. That helps the product focus. If y'all ever wonder why do they do that, they're so stupid. Well, you know, I love Jada Pinkett Smith's. Like, I love her hair. I just use Shea Moisture and Eco Gel just because they're working for me. I'm pretty sure if I try some other gels and some other custards, they would work too, the combination. I did try S-Curl.
Oh yeah, I used to use that way back in the day.
You can just use S-Curl. You know, this happens, y'all. This is the part of getting your hair done. If I was at the salon, it'd be a whole lot of drippage. When you go natural, it's like less drama and drippage, you know, in life.
Hashtag less drama and drippage.
Right. So my scalp is less sore now that I'm natural.
Your hair feels super healthy.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
It feels like it's thicker than last time
Yeah.
Do you see the difference?
Yeah. She said, oh my gosh, I don't know what that means.
I just don't know how this is gonna come out.
We might not be doing finger waves today. We might be doing curls with Moose today. Who knows? That's what these videos are for. It's here for other people to figure it out, so you don't be like, I gotta go to prom tomorrow. Let me do my finger waves tonight with just Moose. It feels good. I like this. I'm so sorry I haven't been making a bunch of videos so you can follow my entire journey. I thought I was gonna cut it and maybe let it grow out natural, but I like the short hair. I've had a lot of people who are very positive about it. People like reminding me, girl, I love your hair. That has helped me along the journey. Although I'm not doing this for other people, I'm doing this for me. This is this is about addressing the inside of me. You know?
She about to do it again. Okay, don't have me. I remember the shot like I did last.
I will admit I didn't know it was going to be an internal journey and me really having to think about internal beauty. I just cut my hair because I was like, I can't go back to the salon again and get it flat ironed. I did not know how to take care of my natural hair when it was longer. I cut my hair when I did my first big chop. I did the Rihanna cut, you know, the one that went forward. You know, everybody. This time I cut my hair because it did not match my lifestyle. Look.
I don't think I can do this.
You know, this is a part of your hair journey, you know, where you giving up on yourself. You know, we give up on ourselves sometimes. We gonna keep doing this though. You know, I knew this was gonna happen. This is why I called her in to see if I was crazy. It's gonna be all right. Y'all look like Pee Wee Herman, don't I? I look like Al Sharpton. It's gonna be okay. We're gonna look real beautiful. After we done, y'all, it's gonna look like the 1920s.
I know you lying.
And this red lip is gonna make more sense.
I know you lying.
I don't think this is gonna work.
We'll keep trying, girl. They can't see the close-up yet. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be alright. I probably should have got it cut shorter before we started, right? I would have felt.
Oh, because I just don't think I know what I'm doing.
No, not at all. What?
But y'all have seen very few videos, and I'm waiting on a video like this. Natural hair with finger waves. Because it's hard. Our hair has its own natural curl it wants to do. And that's why I think people who have been getting like perms and getting their hair straightened, they can do a finger wave easier than us natural hair girls. We're just gonna figure it out. Our own product. Y'all need to get the Happycurlhappygirl finger waves for natural hair custard. And that's what I'm speaking it into existence.
That bless me.
Looking good, y'all.
You lying? We ain't gonna lie on this channel. How about we make smaller sections? I think I'm trying to do the waves way too long. You know what? You know what?
What?
You don't need to do no technical finger waves because you got natural finger waves.
What?
Oh.
Finger waves are for people that want that curl and they got that straight hair, correct?
Yeah.
So if we put gel, and we wrap your hair, we gonna get the same effect. So we just gonna do the finger waves in the front. Your hair is too thick to be doing all the sways and the waves and the, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Come on, Jesus, you better speak to me. Speak to me.
Yes.
No.
Speak, Lord, because I want to figure this out.
Lord, Jesus.
I have a long head too, y'all. I learned that it looked like hair grow on my neck.
Do you watch that show if you hated church? Don't ever watch it. Like if you don't watch Greenleaf and you hate the church, don't watch Greenleaf. Want to watch Greenleaf and you hate church, don't watch it. Have you seen Greenleaf?
Yeah. I will say Greenleaf, okay, it's shot beautiful. It's a beautifully shot show. We are so about to promote this show by saying don't watch it, right? But Greenleaf it's not accurate. There are some things it's inspired by. Yeah, some drama be happening in some churches. I'm speaking from going to church every Sunday for the last 4 years, volunteering at church a lot. You know, when you live a church heavy life, you know, you get to see church up close and personal. It is not like that show. I will say that shows it will make you probably hate church, but just know.
How far did you get?
Yeah, I think I'm in season 4, 3, and into 3. But it's hard to keep watching because some of the issues linger. I like Scandal right now. I'm so late, y'all. I'm late.
Scandal?
Because they introduce the issue and they resolve it in that episode. Every season, there's like this big issue, and by the end of the season, they address it. Some shows will carry out the issue forever. You still waiting to find out who did that, who caused that girl to commit suicide. You know, that took a while. And when you found out, the payoff wasn't even that great. You were like, oh, that's who did it, and that's all they gonna do. Now they gotta figure out how to get him arrested. Oh, now they can't get him arrested. Like, the issues just keep going. It's like a rabbit hole, and I don't like the rabbit hole. I kind of like when we move on to something new.
Wow.
Empire was just like always Cookie and Lucius going back and forth, never getting together. Then the son, the bipolar son's wife died.
I never even seen an episode of that. I was never interested.
See, we ruining shows for y'all. Shoot, did you see the Joker? This is my friend who don't go nowhere and watch it. What have you think? She said it ain't working, but this is better than I've ever done. Y'all out here Betty booping it all the time. Look at this. Y'all look at that. Oh,
and I didn't look. Y'all know I don't be looking at nobody's videos like I should have. I should have watched a tutorial. But you know what? The wave cap might do something. What you think?
No.
Yeah. Maybe we can get this to lay down. I'm so bad.
Wait a minute. This was an epic fail.
What do you think my number is? Like, am I 4C?
You're attacked.
No. Okay, sorry, 4C.
You're probably mine. 3C.
I'm 3C, y'all. So the 4C videos be getting views. I'm 4C.
No, I think I said on my Instagram. I said people put type 4 in their titles for all many different reasons they want, but you don't have to be concerned about your pattern. You don't really need to know your hair type.
Right. If you do the same technique, no matter what your number is in letter, you're gonna get something beautiful.
What?
It's all about technique.
You just probably need a little more product than somebody else, depending on what your number and letter is.
It's the right product, right technique, and then when it comes to moisture, it's about knowing your porosity level. But don't nobody want to tell you that.
What's porosity level?
What?
Porosity is how your hair holds moisture. So we have low, normal, and high.
Porosity,
You can check. So sometimes you need heat. Like, I deep condition with heat because my hair needs to open up to receive the moisture because my hair is closed, my strand, because I have low porosity. Let's just stop it. I'm over it.
2,000 years later.
We're gonna see what it does.
Let's see.
Okay, come on.
Father God, in the name of Jesus.
The door! It gotta go!
I don't know. Let's see it. I mean, it's no finger wave, but you look gorgeous.
I look gorgeous.
You like Betty Boop.
Betty
The
Boop.
Black Betty Boop. Black Betty Boop. Let's section this part.
You need to take this down so you can.
All right, Jesus, make a way. Cause
Make a wave.
Jesus. Yeah, no, I just don't think I had the right technique. No, I just think you need to get somebody who can do finger waves.
If you need to go somewhere and you failed on your hairdo for the day, just say, Lord, forgive me for I know that's what I've done. So that was a fail, right? But we gotta fix it so we can go somewhere with our lives, right? So she gonna hook us up. The product's already on there, so no need to add product. We know the back is not laying down, so we know we have to go ahead and just finger pull those little ends. Crazy. We live in a world that tries to make you feel like, based on your skin color, this is what your hair should look like, or this is what your real hair looks like. And I just saw this chocolate girl with this beautiful black curly hair, and I was just like, that's her hair. I just knew it was her hair, right? I did. I came up to you and I said, how'd you get your hair like that? And she was just like, Eco Gel. And I was like, this lying. She gonna bleep that word out. She don't want to share her secrets. I didn't believe her.
Wow.
So I thought, you know, she Indonesian or something. She one of them dark-skinned Indonesian girls. And I was just like, she ain't 100% black. And I was just like, I ain't either. I come from slavery.
Oh my word.
Truth is, there are some 100% from the motherland African women that have all kinds of textured hair. They have anything from 4 ABCD to 1 ABCD. You know, those curl patterns. And it's a stereotype out there.
Huh?
Is there a D? There's no D?
There's no D.
There's no D. There probably is. We ain't met her yet. Yeah, everybody gonna be 4C out here. Point is, the world and the fashion industry and magazines have tried to tell us that if you're this skin shade, then you must be this hair texture. And it doesn't matter. No matter how chocolate you are, how brown you are, olive you are, how whatever shade you are, that doesn't define your texture. And I got white friends who got thick curls.
I hate this.
Curly hair.
I hate this.
She
part.
hates this. My hair now. My hair is its own thing. We Jada picking up her girl with the girl curls. Woo! She's tired, y'all. She's tired. She's like, I did 2 hairstyles on this girl in one day. I'm done with her. She need to get her life.
I'm through.
Can you see that? So I get a piece about that big and I'll wind near the scalp almost and then come out with it. Did that show up? You can see it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
Yeah.